In today's fast-paced and often turbulent world, finding lasting peace and inner strength can seem like an elusive goal. Yet, amidst the chaos, there exists an ancient philosophy that offers profound wisdom and practical guidance: the philosophy of Stoicism. Rooted in principles that date back to ancient Greece and Rome, Stoicism provides a pathway to cultivate resilience, emotional mastery, and a deep sense of inner peace. Imagine facing life's challenges, from everyday frustrations to major setbacks, with a calm, unwavering demeanor. This isn't merely wishful thinking, but a tangible reality, achievable through Stoic teachings. Today we embark on a journey through the core principles of Stoicism, uncovering timeless insights that can transform the way you perceive and respond to the world around you. These principles aren't just theoretical concepts, but actionable strategies that empower you to navigate life's ups and downs with grace and wisdom. Whether you're seeking personal growth, striving for professional success, or simply yearning for a more meaningful existence, Stoic philosophy offers practical tools to help you flourish amidst adversity. Join me as we delve deep into these transformative teachings. By the end of our exploration, you'll have a clear understanding of how Stoic principles can empower you to cultivate unshakable peace and lead a life of genuine fulfillment. If you find value in our discussion, remember to subscribe and stay tuned for more insights. 1. Define and live your core purpose. Imagine sailing through life without a clear destination. You'd be at the mercy of every wind and wave, drifting aimlessly. This metaphor underscores the importance of defining a clear purpose in life. Stoic philosophers like Epictetus emphasize the necessity of identifying and living according to your core principles and values. They believe that a defined purpose serves as a guiding beacon, steering you through life's challenges with resilience and determination. Discovering your core purpose requires introspection and reflection. It goes beyond mere career ambitions or personal goals. It's about understanding what truly matters to you on a fundamental level. What values do you hold dear? What legacy do you wish to leave behind? These questions provoke deep thought and help clarify your mission in life. When you align your actions with your purpose, obstacles become stepping stones rather than roadblocks. Challenges, instead of being daunting, become opportunities for growth and self-discovery. This steadfastness, cultivated through Stoic principles, provides a solid foundation upon which to build a meaningful and purpose-driven life. 2. Master your mind. The Stoics recognize that our emotions and reactions stem directly from our thoughts and interpretations of events. Therefore, mastering your mind is crucial to achieving inner peace and emotional resilience. Rather than being swept away by fleeting emotions, Stoic practices encourage rational reflection and deliberate responses to situations. This mastery isn't achieved overnight, but through consistent practice and mindfulness. Mind mastery involves developing awareness of your thoughts and learning to control your reactions. It's about cultivating a mindset that allows you to respond to challenges with calm and clarity, rather than reacting impulsively. Techniques such as mindfulness meditation, journaling, and cognitive reframing can help you gain control over your mental landscape. By training your mind to remain steady in the face of adversity, you cultivate a resilience that is unshaken by external circumstances. 3. Protect your inner citadel. Just as ancient fortresses were protected from external threats, so too must you safeguard your mind against negativity and distractions. Stoic philosophy teaches the importance of guarding your inner citadel, the core of your beliefs and values, from influences that could undermine your peace and stability. This involves setting boundaries with negative influences, whether they be toxic relationships, harmful habits, or media that promotes anxiety and discontent. Protecting your inner citadel also means cultivating positive influences and environments that support your growth and well-being. Surround yourself with people who uplift and inspire you. Engage in activities that nourish your soul, and consume content that enriches your mind. By consciously choosing what you allow into your mental space, you create a sanctuary of tranquility amidst the chaos of modern life. Stoicism offers practical strategies for fortifying your inner citadel, enabling you to navigate life's challenges with resilience and grace. 4. Practice mindfulness. Mindfulness is a cornerstone of Stoic practice, enabling you to cultivate awareness of your thoughts, emotions, and reactions without judgment. By practicing mindfulness, you develop the ability to observe your inner experiences impartially, allowing you to respond thoughtfully rather than react impulsively. Start with simple mindfulness exercises such as focused breathing or body scan meditations, gradually expanding your practice to incorporate mindfulness into your daily life. The essence of mindfulness lies in being fully present in the moment, free from distractions and worries about the past or future. It's about cultivating a state of heightened awareness and acceptance of whatever arises within you. Through mindfulness, you develop resilience against stress and cultivate a deep sense of inner peace that transcends external circumstances. By integrating mindfulness into your daily routine, you lay the groundwork for emotional stability and mental clarity. 5. Embrace change. Stoicism teaches us to embrace change as a natural and inevitable part of life. Rather than resisting or fearing change, Stoics advocate for a mindset of acceptance and adaptation. This perspective allows you to navigate life's transitions with grace and resilience, viewing challenges as opportunities for growth and transformation. Embracing change involves cultivating a flexible mindset that is open to new possibilities and experiences. It requires letting go of attachments to outcomes and embracing the inherent uncertainty of life. By embracing change, you develop a sense of inner peace that is not dependent on external circumstances, but rooted in your ability to adapt and evolve. Stoic philosophy offers practical strategies for embracing change, enabling you to thrive in the face of adversity and uncertainty. 6. Focus on what you can control. Central to Stoic philosophy is the concept of focusing on what is within your control while letting go of what is not. This principle, often referred to as the dichotomy of control, teaches us to direct our energy and attention towards our thoughts, actions, and attitudes, things that we have the power to influence. By focusing on what you can control, you cultivate a sense of agency and empowerment over your life circumstances. Focusing on what you can control also involves practicing detachment from outcomes and external events. It requires accepting the reality that not everything is within your power to change, and learning to let go of futile efforts to control the uncontrollable. This mindset shift frees you from unnecessary stress and anxiety, allowing you to channel your energy towards productive pursuits and personal growth. By embracing the principle of focusing on what you can control, you cultivate a sense of inner peace and resilience that is unshaken by external forces. 7. Practice gratitude. Gratitude is a powerful antidote to negativity and discontent, fostering a mindset of abundance and appreciation for life's blessings. Stoic philosophy emphasizes the importance of practicing gratitude as a means of cultivating inner peace and contentment. By regularly reflecting on what you are grateful for, you shift your focus from what is lacking to what is present and meaningful in your life. Practicing gratitude involves consciously acknowledging and appreciating the good things in your life, whether big or small. It's about cultivating a perspective that sees opportunities for growth and learning in every situation. Through gratitude, you develop a sense of humility and interconnectedness with the world around you, fostering deeper relationships and a greater sense of fulfillment. Stoic teachings offer practical exercises for cultivating gratitude, enabling you to experience joy and satisfaction in the present moment. 8. Accept impermanence. Stoicism teaches us to accept the impermanent nature of all things, recognizing that change is inevitable and often beyond our control. This principle, known as the philosophy of flux, encourages us to embrace the transitory nature of life with equanimity and acceptance. By accepting impermanence, you cultivate a mindset that is resilient in the face of loss, disappointment, and uncertainty. Accepting impermanence involves letting go of attachments to people, possessions, and outcomes that are temporary. It requires acknowledging the fleeting nature of pleasure and pain, success and failure, and embracing the present moment with gratitude and mindfulness. Through acceptance of impermanence, you develop a sense of inner peace that is grounded in the understanding that everything is in a constant state of flux. Stoic philosophy offers practical strategies for cultivating acceptance. enabling you to navigate life's transitions with grace and resilience. 9. Cultivate virtue. Central to Stoic philosophy is the cultivation of virtue, the qualities of character that lead to a life of moral excellence and fulfillment. The Stoics believed that true happiness and inner peace arise from living in accordance with virtue rather than pursuing external goods or fleeting pleasures. Virtue encompasses qualities such as wisdom, courage, justice, and temperance, which guide our actions and decisions towards the greater good. Cultivating virtue involves practicing ethical principles in daily life, making decisions based on reason and moral integrity. It requires self-discipline and a commitment to acting in alignment with your values, even when faced with challenges or temptations. By cultivating virtue, you develop a strong sense of self-respect and inner harmony, regardless of external circumstances. Stoic teachings offer practical exercises and reflections for cultivating virtue, enabling you to lead a life of purpose and integrity. 10. Live in alignment with nature. Stoicism teaches us to live in harmony with the natural order of the universe, recognizing our interconnectedness with all living beings in the cosmos. This principle, known as living in accordance with nature, encourages us to align our actions and desires with the greater principles of reason and morality. By living in alignment with nature, you cultivate a sense of unity and purpose that transcends individual desires and ego-driven pursuits. Living in alignment with nature involves practicing humility and respect for the interconnected web of life. It requires acknowledging our place within the broader tapestry of existence and acting with compassion and empathy towards others. By aligning your goals and aspirations with the greater good, you contribute to the well-being of society and the world at large. Stoic philosophy offers practical guidance for living in alignment with nature, enabling you to find meaning and fulfillment in a world that is often chaotic and unpredictable. By integrating these 10 Stoic principles into your daily life, you can cultivate a state of calm and confidence no matter what life throws your way. Remember, the journey to inner peace and resilience is a continuous process. Stay committed to these practices, and you'll find yourself becoming more unshakable and serene with each passing day. Thank you for joining me on this journey. If you found these principles helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more insights on living a fulfilled and resilient life. Stay strong, stay stoic, and embrace the tranquility within.